Let's continue. Libra Basha. And he put them outside, took her by the hand and called her, saying, little girl, arise. Oh, Jesus. Jesus laid his hands on the girl and said, little girl, arise. Little girl, arise. Little girl, arise. Now, if she has to arise, can we say arise? Say it again, say arise. Say it again, say arise. Now, if she has to arise, it means that she was dead before she arose. Because you cannot arise if you have not died. You see, in the year 2025, or 26, sorry, I'm just cutting this thing. They say, I want God to do this in my life. I want you to move me to the next level. I want you to move me to the next dimension. But there are things that God needs to kill before we can arise. Some people want to arise when God has not killed the thing that can destroy them. There are things in your life that you need to destroy before you arise. I decree and declare that held you back in 2025. You've got to bring it before God so God can kill it. You've got to bring it before God and say, God, kill this thing. Nullify this thing. Umoya anger, break it in my life. The spirit of low self-esteem, cancel it in my life. The spirit of doubting your promises, cancel it in your life, because you cannot arise if you have not died to the old man. How many men have we seen? I wonder about powerful. They get into the offices of government, but they have not killed it. The spirit of lust removes them from government because they arose without killing the spirit of lust. So let me tell you, whatever held you back in 2026, you shall arise. But you need to kill that thing.